How to close your Sofi Money or Sofi Invest account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I'll show you how you can close your Sofi Money or Sofi Invest account. So you want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to close your Sofi Money or Invest account, first of all, I will show you for Sofi Money, then I will show you for Sofi Invest. So for Sofi Money, log into Sofi and then you'll see the Money tab from the top. Make sure you're under the Money tab. And then on the right hand side, you'll find the option called More. You just want to click on that More option. Once you do that, here you want to make sure to come to the bottom left and then choose the option called Close Account, as you could see. And once you go to Close Account, now in my case, I have a pending transaction, so which is why I'm not being able to close my account. So if you do not have pending transactions, you can simply go ahead and then find the option to close your Sofi Money account. Now we're going to move on to how we can close our Sofi Invest account. So again, you want to come to the Investing tab from the top of the screen, and then after that, you'll see this option where you have to go to the option called View Account from the left hand panel. And after you've done that, you'll be able to find the More option on the top right, so just click on that More button. Then once you've done that, you want to make sure you're under Account Details. Under Account Details, you have to scroll to the bottom, and then here you'll find the option called Close Account. So on the right hand side, just click on the button that says Close Account over here, and once you do that, it'll ask you, are you sure you want to close this account? Just click on the button that's Close Account, and once you've done that, you would have successfully closed your Sofi Money and Invest account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.